First, add the powder. Then add water. Mix, mix, mix.
Left, right, left, and hop, hop. Big bunny ears go flop, flip, flop in the Easter bunny. Bop, bop, hop, hop. Bop, bop, bop.
Let's mix until we get a thick mixture. Then pour the mixture into the mold.
White tummy, cuddly cute with a soft white tummy. The only rabbit of its kind. Brings Easter eggs at Easter time. How many eggs can you find in the Easter bunny? Pop, pop, step.
Let's wait for few hours.
Big bunny
It's ready. We can take it out. We made 3 sets within 3 days.
Every Easter egg has some magic inside. Every Easter egg has some magic inside. If you're lucky, there might even be
Let's color.
surprise. They taste
Now we're going to paste the magnets.
and fun to share.
This is the magnet we got from the box.
Find the Easter
Let's cut the magnets into small pieces. Then paste it on the back.
big bunny,
We really had a great time.
bunny, pop, pop to the Easter bunny. Pop,
Hooray! You can paste it on any steel product. We are going to paste it on our fridge.
wake up nice and early.
Thank you for watching. Bye.